The internet has revolutionized the way people consume content, and the rise of social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok has given birth to a new generation of celebrities. Among these digital influencers are Alan and Alex Stokes, popularly known as the Stokes Twins. With their charming personalities, comedic sketches, and relatable content, the twins have successfully built a digital empire worth over $21 million. This essay delves into the journey of the Stokes Twins, exploring the strategies, challenges, and key factors that contributed to their phenomenal success. Alan and Alex Stokes were born on November 23, 1996, in China, but were raised in the United States. Their journey to fame started modestly, with the twins initially gaining attention on the now-defunct platform Vine. Their 6-second comedic videos quickly gained popularity, amassing a significant following. The twins' natural chemistry, synchronized timing, and relatable content resonated with viewers, allowing them to stand out in a crowded space. However, when Vine was discontinued in 2017, the Stokes Twins faced a significant setback. Rather than seeing this as a dead end, they viewed it as an opportunity to pivot and expand their brand. This ability to adapt and leverage new platforms would become a hallmark of their success. Following the closure of Vine, the Stokes Twins turned their attention to YouTube, a platform that offered more creative freedom and the potential for long-form content. They launched their YouTube channel in 2017 and began producing a variety of content, including pranks, challenges, and vlogs. Their content often featured their daily lives, interactions with fans, and collaborations with other popular YouTubers. One of the key factors that contributed to their success on YouTube was their understanding of the platform's algorithm and audience preferences. The twins quickly realized that consistency was crucial. By posting regularly and engaging with their audience through comments and social media, they were able to build a loyal fan base. Additionally, they paid close attention to trending topics and viral challenges, which helped them stay relevant and attract new viewers. The Stokes Twins' content is characterized by a mix of humor, creativity, and relatability. Their pranks and challenges often involve friends, family, and strangers, creating a sense of community and inclusivity that resonates with viewers. This approach has not only garnered them millions of subscribers, but has also led to significant engagement on their videos, with many receiving millions of views within days of being posted. While YouTube was the primary platform for the Stokes Twins' content, they understood the importance of diversifying their presence across multiple platforms. They expanded their reach to TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, where they continued to engage with their audience and grow their brand. Their TikTok account, in particular, saw explosive growth, with the platform's short-form video format perfectly complementing their style of content. By leveraging multiple platforms, the Stokes Twins were able to tap into different demographics and expand their audience. This diversification also allowed them to explore various revenue streams, including brand partnerships, sponsored content, and merchandise sales. Their ability to monetize their content across platforms played a significant role in their financial success. In addition to their online presence, the twins also ventured into the world of entrepreneurship. They launched their own merchandise line, which includes clothing, accessories, and other branded products. Their merchandise has been highly successful, thanks in part to their dedicated fan base and the twins' ability to market their products effectively. The Stokes Twins have also collaborated with various brands, further expanding their revenue streams and solidifying their status as influential digital creators. Despite their success, the Stokes Twins have not been immune to challenges and controversies. In 2020, they faced legal trouble after a prank video involving a fake bank robbery led to real-life consequences. The twins, along with their cameraman, were charged with false imprisonment and other related charges. This incident brought significant media attention and criticism, with many questioning the ethics of their prank content. The controversy served as a wake-up call for the twins, who issued a public apology and made efforts to change the direction of their content. They shifted their focus towards more positive and lighthearted content, while also using their platform to raise awareness about important social issues. This ability to learn from their mistakes and adapt to changing circumstances has been crucial to their continued success. Another key factor in the Stokes Twins' rise to fame has been their collaborations with other popular creators. By teaming up with fellow YouTubers, TikTok stars, and influencers, the twins were able to cross-promote their content and reach new audiences. These collaborations often resulted in viral videos that garnered millions of views, further boosting their popularity. The twins' collaborative approach also extends beyond content creation. They have partnered with various brands and companies to create sponsored content, allowing them to monetize their influence while providing value to their audience. These partnerships have been a significant source of income for the twins, contributing to their overall net worth. One of the most important aspects of the Stokes Twins' success is their ability to connect with their audience on a personal level. The twins have always made an effort to engage with their fans, whether through social media interactions, fan meetups, or personalized video messages. This sense of connection has helped them build a loyal and dedicated fan base that continues to support them. The twins' relatability and authenticity have also played a crucial role in their success. They often share glimpses of their personal lives, struggles, and triumphs, allowing their audience to see them as more than just entertainers. This transparency has created a sense of trust between the twins and their fans, further solidifying their brand. As the Stokes Twins continue to grow their empire, they have shown no signs of slowing down. They have expressed interest in expanding their brand beyond social media, with potential ventures in film, television, and other forms of entertainment. Their entrepreneurial spirit and ability to adapt to changing trends suggest that their influence will only continue to grow in the coming years. The twins' success has also inspired a new generation of content creators who look up to them as role models. Their journey from Vine stars to multi-millionaire influencers is a testament to the power of perseverance, creativity, and strategic thinking. The Stokes Twins have not only built a successful brand, but have also left a lasting impact on the digital landscape. The Stokes Twins' rise to fame and fortune is a remarkable story of determination, innovation, and adaptability. From their early days on Vine to their current status as digital moguls, Alan and Alex Stokes have consistently demonstrated their ability to entertain, engage, and inspire millions of people worldwide. By diversifying their content, collaborating with other creators, and building a strong connection with their audience, the twins have successfully created a $21 million empire that continues to thrive. As they look towards the future, the Stokes Twins' legacy as pioneers in the world of digital content creation is assured, and their influence is likely to endure for years to come. So here we come to the end of our video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell so you never miss any updates. Thank you for watching.